I think tickle right there. Now go to the A. Where's the A? Where's the A? Where is it? Oh, no, this is a T. This is a T. I think this is the A. It just doesn't have the cutout. Do you understand that? Okay. Now find the N.
Oh, that's a V.
Oh! Find the A then! We need to find the A. Where's the A? Oh, that's the V again. Logan? He wants to give me the P. Or the P. You don't have an A. What is this? J. There's no J in your name.
We do have an A.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, Logan, where is the A? Where is this an N? I think that's an N. And we're missing A. Oh, wow, this is the A. Oh, no. Here, get this to your forehead.